If someone comes in late, double tap on their picture and you can mark them late. Or if you made a mistake, you can mark not absent. If you forgot to mark someone absent in attendance mode, you can tap once on the student and mark her absent by tapping the A in the bottom menu. Someone marked late will have an L until you record another event on that student. Then the L will fade after 5 seconds. You can mark an absent or late student excused by tapping once and marking them excused. They still came late, but we've noted that they're excused.